Alrighty guys, I've been sipping on that coconut, but I've hit rock bottom. I think it's time that we take our secret weapon, the jungle juice quick revive. You guys know when I take this, I'm gonna be reborn, and hopefully this is gonna give us some energy to get out there and go hunting and catch some type of animal. Let's get it down. Hoorah! We've been reborn. Oh. Alright, it is time for us to gear up, guys. We are going to get animals 100%. Oh, that stuff is freaking magic, man. Everyone go drop a hoorah in the comments. That's what we say when we take this bad boy.